Hey guys, my name's Leila and I've got my very first garden and I'm so excited. My family took me to Bunnings and we got a My First Garden bed. We're going to plant and grow our veggie garden right here and learn all about living things. I've got my brother Leon here to help me out. Come on Leon, don't be shy. Time to put your gloves on. Now, we all know that living things like this need sun, water, and nutrients to grow. But first, we need to build its home. For this part, we need an adult to help. Uncle Jeffy! So that's how easy it is to start your first garden. You can do it too. All you need is a sunny place. Mum says it's getting too late to start planting, so we have to save it for the next video. See you then!